Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy gold in Plus500. So what we're going to do first of all is make sure that you log in right here to your account. And then after that, what we're going to do is we search right here for gold. So we search here for gold and then you can decide which type of gold you want to buy. But if you want to buy normal gold, we select right here the gold option. Then we are having here the chart of gold and we want to create a buy position. So what we're going to do is we click here on buy and then we can fill in right here how many troy ounces we want to buy. So let's do 1 right here. And then what we're going to do is we click right here on buy. You can also go to set limits if you want to do risk management and create a take profits or a stop loss right here. But for now, I'm just showing you how to buy gold, so it's not necessary. We click here on buy and then if you can see right here, we created ourselves a position on gold and that is exactly what we wanted. So this is how you can buy gold right here on Plus500. Hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.